Okay, answer on this one should be 4/15. Answer should be 11/28. Okay, answer for this one should be 1/2. Go ahead and bring your number up for the lottery. Okay, winning numbers for today are 3 and 17. Okay, flashcards. Just shout out.
15. 18.
6.
Oh, 6.
12. 12. 18. Yeah.
Yes, child.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be 18. Okay, homework check will be up here. Alright, number 1 should be x is less than or equal to 11. Number 2, x is greater than -1. And number 3, x is less than or equal to 7. Number 4 is 2 is less than x. Number 5 should be 16/3. 16/3 is greater than or equal to x. Number 6, 8 is less than x. Alright, questions on the homework? Okay, extra credit answers. Okay, objectives. Today's objective is the same as yesterday's. We're going to be solving inequalities. Our learning target, we're going to be solving compound linear inequality. For example 1, this is going to be a review of what we did yesterday. We have -4x minus 12 is greater than 24. Remember, for now, we're just going to treat the inequality sign as an equal sign. So what do we want to do for our first step to find?
12.
Adding 12, right. We want x by itself.
Hey, do you have a pencil?
Add 12 both sides. We get -4x on the left. And we have 36 on the right. What do we do next?
Divide -4.
Right, we want to divide by our coefficient. When we divide by a negative, what happens to our inequality sign?
That changes.
Right, it switches over. We'll have x on the left and -9 on the right, and this will be our final answer. Okay, for example 2, we also did this yesterday. We have 8x minus 13 is greater than 2x plus 23. We want to get our variables on one side and our numbers together on one side. So the first thing we want to move is one of our x's. Which one are we going to move? Alright, we'll move the two. It should work out either way. If you move the x's to one side, it doesn't matter which one you move, it'll work out either way. But I'm going to move the 2x just because that way it'll stay positive, make it a little bit easier. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. We have 6x minus 13 on the left. On the right, we have 23.
At 13.
Right, now we want to move our 13 over. We add 13 to both sides. When we do that, we'll have 6x on the left. Bring down our inequality. Yep, we'll have 36. Divide by our coefficient. Our coefficient is positive, so we don't need to change our inequality. So our x is greater than 6, and that's our final answer. Alright, flashcards. Alright, number 1. Yes, remember, if the coefficient in front of your x is negative, that means we're going to have to flip the inequality, okay? Because when you divide by a negative, we flip the inequality. So if we're dividing by that -3, we'll need to flip it. So the answer is yes. Number 2.
Yes.
No.
No.
No. No. Yes.
Alright, practice problem number 1. Okay, answer for the bonus is 21. Okay, bonus number 2. Okay, answer should be 400. Alright, solution for practice problem number 1. First thing we want to do is we want to get rid of our 4. Remember, we're trying to get our x by itself. It's a positive 4, so we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. We get 2x is less than or equal to 22. Next, we want to divide by our coefficient, which is the number in front of our x. And here it's 2. Since it's positive, we do not need to flip our inequality, so the inequality will stay the same. And our answer should be x is less than or equal to 11. Alright, practice problem number 2. Answer should be, answer should be 63.
Yeah.
Okay, answer should be 84. Solution for the practice problem. Alright, we want to move our x's, and we want to move our numbers to the same side. Which x do you guys want to move? The 6x? The 12x?
That's what I did.
Yeah, because that'd be positive.
Alright, we'll move the 12x. It's negative, which means we're going to be adding 12x to both sides. When we do that, 6x plus 12x is going to give us 18x minus 18. Bring down our inequality. On the right, we have 18. Next, we want our numbers on the same side.
Add 18, do the first two.
Alright, we moved our x's to the left, which means we're going to move our numbers to the right. It's a negative 18, which means we're going to add 18 to both sides. That's an ugly 8. Okay, we have 18x on the left. On the right, we have 36. Next, we want to divide by our coefficient, which is 18. It's positive, so our inequality is going to stay the same. On the left, we have x, and on the right, 36 divided by 18 will give us 2. Okay, if you guys want to write down extra credit problem number 1, you can go ahead and do that, or take a picture. Okay, example number 3. This time we have 2 inequality signs. The only difference between doing this and the one with 1 inequality sign is we're just going to do the same thing to each part of it. On the other ones we were doing it to the left and the right side. This time we're going to start with the middle. What do we do to the middle? We're going to do to the right and the left. We want our x by itself. What are we going to do to get our x by itself?
Minus 4.
We're subtracting 4. If we subtract 4 from the middle, we need to subtract 4 from the left and from the right. 6 minus 4 is going to give us 2. Bring down our inequality sign. In the middle, we'll just have x. Bring down our other inequality, and 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. Our x is now by itself, and that's what we're looking for. So, our final answer is 2 is less than x, which is less than 4. Okay, for example 4, this time we have a coefficient. Alright, what do we want to do first?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. When our x by itself, we start with the middle. Subtract 3. We do it to the middle, we need to do it to the right and the left. On the left, we have negative 3 minus 3 will be negative 6, which is less than. In the middle, we have negative 6x. Bring our other inequality down. Less than 9 minus 3 gives us 6. Okay, what do we need to do now? Right, we divide by our coefficient. There's something multiplied by our x, we need to divide by that number. If we divide by it in the middle, we need to divide in the right side and on the left side. Negative 6 over negative 6 is going to give us 1 on the left. We've divided by a negative number. What do we do when we divide by negative?
Switch the sign.
Right, our inequality is going to be flipped. In the middle, we have x, and this inequality will also be flipped. On the right, we have 6 divided by negative 6 gives us negative 1. So this should be your final answer. Alright, flashcards. This is going to be no.
No. No. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
No. 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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. Practice problem number 3. Alright, answer for this one should be 9. Practice problem solution. Okay, we have negative 1 is less than 9 plus n, which is less than 17. We want to get our n, which is our variable by itself. What do we need to do? Subtract 9. If we subtract 9 from the middle, we're going to need to subtract 9 from the left and from the right. Negative 1 minus 9 is negative 10. Bring down our inequality. In the middle, we should just have n. Bring down our other inequality on the right. 17 minus 9 should be 8. This should be our final answer. Okay, answer should be 52. Practice problem. Alright, for the practice problem, we want to get our k by itself. What's the first thing we need to do? Right, we need to add 6. If we add 6 to the middle, that means we're going to need to add 6 to the left, and we're going to add 6 to the right. When we do that, we have 8 plus 6, which gives us 14. Bring down our inequality. Negative 7k. It will be in the middle. Bring down our other inequality, and on the right we'll have 56. What do we do next?
Divide by negative 7.
Alright, we want to divide by our coefficient, which is negative 7. 14 divided by negative 7 will give us negative 2. We've divided by a negative, so we're going to flip our inequality. In the middle we'll have k. Again, we divided by a negative, so our inequality will be flipped. 56 divided by negative 7 will be negative 8. So our final answer will be negative 2, greater than k, which is greater than negative 8. You had that? You got negative 6 there.
Oh crap. Negative 2. Ah, we have right.
Okay, our homework for tonight.